Hey guys, so I'm here again to do one more video. So now today I got an iPhone 6 screen replacement. So the screen is all shattered here, as you can see. So the first thing what we need to do is use a pentalobe screwdriver, which is the star screwdriver, it's a star screwdriver, as you can see here. That's the first screw, and that's the second one. And now we need a small suction cup attached to this, and then we just lift this one a little bit. So make sure the home button is very careful, and then lift this one. And once you get this opening, as you can see, once you get this opening, use your fingertip, and then you can just open up um, this, open up like this. Now the first bit we need to undo is the battery connector, which is held by two Phillips screws. So we just remove the two Phillips screws. That's the metal plate. And also use a spudger and remove the battery. So once the battery is off, now we just go back to uh, the screen connection. So it's held by 5 screws. So we just remove all the 5 screws here, and I hope you can see. So I'll just try to make sure you see clearly. Right, and then that comes up with a metal plate. So we just remove the metal plate, organize there, and then use a spudger and remove the connections. So that's 1, 2, 3, and I hope you can see here, that's the 4th one. So these were all the 1, 2, 3, 4 connections, and we got this thing out. And now we need to remove the home button. There are 3 things which we need to change, which we need to replace from here onto the new screen: the home button, metal plate, and the speaker. So let's remove the home button. I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see. Right. Yeah, maybe I'll zoom out because I can't put my screw thing here. Okay. Right. And that's the home button's metal plate. That's there. And now organize all the screws in a such a way that you can easily put them back. Now push the home button from the back a little bit, and then you just need to use your spudger and remove the home button. That's it. That's the home button. That's one thing done. Now the second thing is we need to remove the speaker. So I hope you can see here. Okay. So we got all the 3 screws. Now slowly remove the cover, the speaker cover, and then the speaker itself. That's the speaker. That's the speaker. And then the last bit is Now what you can do is like give a little bit of heat, maybe for 5 or 10 seconds, a little bit of heat. Right, and then I think that should easily perfect. So if you look at this bit here, this is what I was trying to remove. And just take your time in removing this. This is like an origami, so just remove that one. And then the final thing is the metal plate. So for metal plate is held by 6 screws. One, undo all of them as you can see here. Okay. And there is one more last screw. Okay, done. Now, once you lift the metal plate, there is a small thing here. So you just need to be very careful when you lift this one. Just be very careful, or maybe just give some heat. That will loosen up the adhesive. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Okay, so that's the old screen and this is the new one. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will grab a new screen, which is this one, and let's put everything back. So we need to put 3 things back if you remember. The first one is, okay, that's the metal plate, remove that one, and then just pull. There is a tape here, you just need to remove that tape. Yeah, once it's done, lift this bit here and just organize this here. Done. Now what we will do is we will put all the screws back in. So I got 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Okay, so we got the metal plate back. Now let's get the home button back in place. So the home button is held by two screws. So I'm just going to tighten up both the screws. Okay, and just make sure it clicks in. Yes, that clicks. So you're pretty good on the home button. So that's the third screw. Okay, now the final bit, from the parts point of view, is we need to put this cameras and everything back. So let's organize this here. I hope you can see, um, there is a mic. So you just need, there is a small grove. You just need to put that one um, into the grove there. It's pretty straightforward. Once you do that, now make sure, like if you look at here, make sure there are two sensors. One is a proximity sensor and the other one is there are two sensors. You just need to make sure like both goes in the right place, and then hold the speaker, and the speaker can just sit there, and then the back cover goes on top of it. Yeah, this one is a little bit tricky, but once you got some experience, it's very straightforward, and it's held by 3 screws. So as you can see, the 3 screws, 1, 2, and the 3. Yeah, make sure like they are tight enough. Now let's go back, and so the battery is disconnected. Just make sure. Um, Alrighty, so these are the 3 connectors. We just need to put them in. 1, 2, 3, and that's the home button connector. And make sure you just connect everything properly. They click in, and finally the battery. Now we are looking for an Apple logo. The battery is low, so we'll connect the battery. So the battery is connected. Okay, that's exactly what we are looking for. So we got the Apple logo. So I'll just wait for the Apple logo to come on. Perfect. Okay, so now we got the screen on, and then the way we just check it is the home button. Just check the home button and go, because I don't know the password, so I don't know how I can go inside. So I'll just check for the numbers, the emergency numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. That works perfect. So now the next step would be switch it off, and then we will put everything back. So we just need to close the phone, so it's only a matter of few minutes. So the phone is off. I'll remove this connector. The first thing I will be connecting is the battery. So these are the two screws we got. That's one, and that's the second one. And you know, with the, because this you can't let it go, as you can see my left hand, I'm holding the screen because it's the cable gives some support. I will be using some sort of bottle to give this support, so your other hand is free. Now I'll use the metal plate which goes here. Done. And then I will be using, I think you can see clearly, I'll just move a little bit here. So it's held by 5 screws, so just make sure you don't miss any screws. Just organize, put all the screws back. Okay, so that's done. Now I will be closing the phone. So for closing, as you can see, I'll just remove this bottle here. Um, for closing, so I will be you need to, you know, like clip the clips onto the front. You start from the top, okay? Just clip it in, and then you just need to press it, press it, press it. That's it, and then it should sit properly. Once it's done, hold on to the screen with a little bit of pressure. I hope you can see here, and then just use the pentalobe screws and tighten up. That's it. So these are the two pentalobe screws um, which hold the screen onto the frame. Yeah, and that's it. So now I'll just turn it on. Perfect, and we have already tested it. So thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like us, subscribe us, and comment if you have any more questions, and we will be making more videos and love to have your feedback. Thanks.